We love to travel, and the big question is, where can we go? This is where we can go on Member Choice Vacations. Hi, I'm Kelly Bohaker, and I'm a AAA advisor at the North Reading branch in Massachusetts. I'm here on tour with Member Choice Vacations on the Painted Canyons tour, and out here to see exactly what it's like traveling during these times. Member Choice Vacations has really stepped up the level of making all of us feel really safe on this tour, starting with, temperature checks prior to boarding the bus, the sanitation of the bus on a daily basis. The bus holds 52 passengers and we're only 16 on this tour, all spaced out. Everyone is wearing masks. And Wendy, our tour director, being there every step of the way, she's done just a phenomenal job in making us all feel safe.
I'm Wendy Pickering, tour manager of AAA Member Choice Vacations in the Painted Canyons of the West. Traveling is so important to us, and it is our priority to make sure that we are the safest that we can be. The best thing about this tour is we get to see all 5 national parks of Utah. We see Arches, Canyonlands, Capitol Reef, Rice, and Zion. We make it very safe for them to just go out and have a great time.
Well, I think talk to your travel agent and figure out what part of the country you want to see, and know that you're going to be well taken care of. And now's the optimum time to travel in the United States.
Get out of your backyard and see the rest of the country.
That's right.
It's a time to do it.
And it's beautiful.
Member Choice Vacations has really gone above and beyond in making sure all the protocols are in place for traveling today, because it is so different, and it's so exciting to see people out traveling again. Every morning I've gotten up early with my cup of coffee and just walked outside and immersed myself and just realized how beautiful America truly is.